In this video, we will show you how to assemble your GREENWORKS string trimmer. This guide can be followed for all 24-volt, 11 and 13-inch telescoping string trimmers. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different. However, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Tools required. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the packing material and any loose unassembled parts. Carefully lift the string trimmer out of the box and set it on a level surface. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Attach the guard. The guard comes with 2 screws. Slide the guard into the grooves on the trimmer head base. Align the screw holes on the guard with the screw holes on the base. Install the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Attach the edge guide. Pull the edge guide apart and insert the ends into the 2 holes on the trimmer head. Attach the auxiliary handle. Remove the knob and bolt from the handle. Place the handle onto the shaft and line up the holes. Insert the bolt through the holes and tighten with the knob. Remove the tape from the cutting line and cut off blade. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit with battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked and set aside for later. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.